Hello everyone, I hope you are well. Let's start with a new video on another strategy, this gateway you have used before. But I'm going to use it simply with price action financial markets. I'm going to indicators, I'm going to put in the chart trend cycle. Okay, so let's go with that. Shaff trend cycle, is that the first one, alright? 23, 50, 10, 3, 3, and the color is up to you, alright? If you want to change that, 8 to 20. We're gonna start with $32, 1 minute on expiration time. Okay. And we're gonna use 15 seconds, guys, on time frame. And that's good. So, candlestick pattern, a very strong candlestick, has to form for me to try to enter direction I propose. That is a downtrend. But let's wait for this. Guys, it's important to mention that I have to wait for a minute to understand what the process is doing, right? If it's a range, I identify the weight confirmation so I can enter where, all right? In the direction I want, I need to change always the time frame. So I'm going to look in the first hand when I have to try to explain it, okay? So I got this on EURUSD, we have confirmation that it's a buy button. Because we just got this on Shaff Price cycle, that's the lowest point, and try to get revert with that. So that's the point that it needs to have a good confirmation when I have this. If you want to make this horizontal line, that's up to you. If you want just to use the Shaff Price cycle like this, that's good as well. All right. Okay, guys, it's volatile, it's a little volatile. It's part of the opening. When they're not opening, maybe there's some data, and it's causing the market to always very little quickly. All right, and look at that, 10 seconds remain. Let's see what's gonna happen with this one. Oh my gosh, maybe that's respecting. Let's go, let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. We got our first one, $56 off profit. That's so good. Very, very good, guys. Very good. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. That's past the zone. But it will depend on the indicator because the indicator still does not confirm that the price is going to rise. But that's his respect for us. That's worth. All right. So I want to change the time for that for 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes would be there where it is right now. All right. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Just to get a position on this one. Let's wait for that. Guys, that's very volatile to be honest, okay? Even with 1 minute, 15 seconds, that's just very volatile. I can enter on downside here. Let's increase our amount, $50. And we got a good one right here. We just performed that, okay? So let's look at this. It's going short, the price is break for the zone, the whole zone that's there. Well, on the first attempt, we're going long to the position is 1. Perfect. 1 second attempt when the base in the movement and when the price does it, this part of the support becomes a kind of resistance. It doesn't happen, it's come back here, it doesn't happen, you come back here again and try to get a revert and not happening. Okay, so I enter after this. Let's see this. That's very good. All right, that's this at the 1 minute indicator, the bearish. Yup. See this break zone even lower, it's already reaching lower, but wow, I'm entered down based on chaff this. Yeah, guys, look at that again, 15 seconds. Boom! We got this, baby. Oh my goodness, 2-0 so far, man. $94. That's so fucking good, man. This is not a zone. This why right here is a look like you kind of resisted, but it's on the order block where the price rebounded here. It generated maximum for me. And this is zone that it was still undecided. Let's see rejects or not. And here, I have to wait and see if this upward entry occurs. Alright, man. For now, guys, I already have two correct calls and look for the last entry of the session. And let's try to get a win on this, $100. Okay, just opening that. That's so good. Let's see what's gonna happen with this one. I enter because entry points almost the same as the candle. That is, if it's going to the case, we analyze the candle. Well, the entry occurs about 15-30 seconds ago. Observe the 1 minute. The price is rising here. Reactions. It's a seismic to the maximum. Here is slow down, and here again to change the structure. Look at that. Yep. That's very good, guys. But what is the macro trend? Well, bullish is just reaction a bit. But that wasn't resistance. But then the price will continue to rise. The shake in 1 minute still made that. There is no change. 15 seconds, give a minute an entry. While looking for the position, it's easily to be patient.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
We got 3 positions, guys. Look at that, man. Oh my God, almost $109. 32 to $190, guys. It's a simple, straightforward strategy. Of course, you have to be patient if this goes very high. I will have to see what is the price. Does there is a slow down or the bid doesn't go through? It lasts almost a minute without going up or down. So what is do this enter continuation of the movements, which is the main trend. If you like this video, leave your opinion in the comments. I invite you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. And that's all for this one. I wish you good profits, good operations, and have a good one. And see you in the next live sessions, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye. See you.